radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other patches, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Milford, Bridgeville, Salineville, Ambersville, Greenwood, and Farmington. This includes the following streams and drainages: Cedar Creek, Nanticoke; Massillon River, Brock Hill, Smyrna; Jones Mill Branch, Nanticoke; West Branch, Gum Branch, Nanticoke; Number 1, Broad, Nanticoke; Parker Branch, Nanticoke; Owens Branch, Nanticoke; Marshall Creek, Nanticoke; Round Hole Branch, Brock Hill, Smyrna; Smith Fork and Ribbon Ditch, Nanticoke; Brock Hill, Smyrna; Bull Branch, Nanticoke; Church Branch, Brock Hill, Smyrna; Deep Branch, Brock Hill, Smyrna; Ingham Branch, Brock Hill, Smyrna; Cedar Creek, Brock Hill, Smyrna; Ribbon Ditch, Nanticoke; Gravelly Branch, Nanticoke; Nanticoke River, Nanticoke; Robbie Neck Branch, Nanticoke; Silbridge Branch, Brock Hill, Smyrna; Gillingham Ditch, Nanticoke; Cart Branch, Nanticoke; Justin Ditch, Brock Hill, Smyrna; Number 2, Prong, Nanticoke; Deep Creek, Nanticoke; Prospect Branch, Nanticoke; Porter Branch, Nanticoke; White Marsh Branch, Nanticoke; and Brock Hill River, Brock Hill, Smyrna. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding.